Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to get you all set up to use your article library. If you notice in the left-hand side blue bar here, you've got a number of icons, and we're looking for this picture icon with the word library. So within the library, we've made available three types of libraries. We have an image library, we have a video library, and we have an article library. Now, this article library is used when you're creating an offer that's meant to be more for a B2B type offering, and you're going to be having this offer shared via LinkedIn rather than Facebook or one of our other social media options. So you'll notice I've got a number of pre-approved articles that I've put out here, and I'm going to go ahead and add an article. Top right-hand corner, you click Add Article. And I now need the full URL. I'm going to go over to my blog. This is the Yaystack blog telling the Yaystack story. Great article if you get a chance. I'm going to copy that address and I'm going to come back over here to Yaystack. I'm going to paste that into the URL. Notice it's got the full http:// etc. And I've got an option here where I can use the image from the website metadata, or I can upload my own image. I'm going to leave it as the default image for now. And I'm going to add a keyword, let's say yay, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this. This simply puts it now into my library where it can be used to embed directly into an offer. You'll notice, however, that the article thumbnail is too small. It's not a 16:9 image, and it was pulled directly from the top of that blog. And so using the edit feature, I can go back into this article and I can now upload my own image to override the default image that comes with it. So I'm looking for a 16:9 image. I click this upload button and I go click on my Yaystack blog image and I go ahead and hit save. And what I've now done is replace this Yaystack logo with an image that really better represents the article that I'm trying to publish. Once you're all done here, if you decide that you need to make any edits or you're just not happy with what you've done here, under the actions section here, you've got either an edit button or a delete button. Hope this has been helpful, guys. Make it a great day.